We'll solve the equation negative 2/5 plus x equals negative 3/4. By looking at the left-hand side of the equation, I see that if I would add 2/5, I would have x alone on that side of the equation. And the addition principle tells me that I can add the same number on both sides of the equation without changing the truth of the equation. So I'm going to add 2/5 on the left side. We'll start with negative 2/5 plus x and add 2/5. And I'm going to add the same number on the right side of the equation. Now on the left-hand side I have x plus 0, or just x, and I need to carry out this addition on the right-hand side. And what I need to do to get started is to find the least common denominator of the two fractions. 4 and 5 do not have any common prime factors, so the least common denominator is just going to be the product of these two numbers, 4 times 5, or 20. And I'll write each fraction with a denominator of 20 by multiplying by a form of 1. To get a 20 in this denominator, I multiply by 5 over 5. And to get 20 in the denominator of 2/5, I can multiply by 4 over 4. So this now is negative 3 times 5, 15 over 20, plus 2 times 4, or 8 over 20. And I can finish out the addition by adding the numerators. And I can think of this fraction as negative 15 over 20. So I would be adding negative 15 and 8, which is negative 7, and keep the common denominator of 20. So the solution is negative 7 over 20.